Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 shop. Today we installed our 10-inch screen in a 2014 Mercedes GLK 250. That was the factory screen that it came with the car, 5.8-inch screen. And this is what we add to it. Basically that's the factory feature that it works with the command system, with the knob that it comes with the car. So still we can go to FM, AM, everything is functioning same as before. But if we want to have sound through our aftermarket unit, we need to go to aux. We have to choose auxiliary, and the car we have to make sure it comes with aux. Usually they come with this media cable that it has aux, and this is from our unit. That mini jack connects to the female side of this media wire. So I just show you the features of this screen by going to reverse. It shifts to backup camera. You can see the factory sensors are already activated, as the car came with sensors, and dynamic parking guidelines are there by turning the steering wheel. And by going to park, we go back to the normal screen, and then if we want to go to aftermarket mode, by touching the screen we go to aftermarket mode. It has some OBD reading on left hand side, which is the speed of the car, the mileage on the car, and the temperature. We still can use the knob on aftermarket mode, turning left and right, no problem. We can go to navigation, choose nav. Nav is full touch with the really high resolution, and also that's the way we go back to factory radio. We can play media, which is video or music or pictures or Bluetooth music. As you can see, I'm just scrolling left and right on those. And that's the phone for Bluetooth. That's the dashboard that it reads some features from the car. As you can see the speed of the fan, the direction for the vents, everything is functioning, and it shows on the screen right now. I'm changing the speed of the fan, and I'm changing right now the direction for the air vent. And also if the door is open or is closed, so it shows basically all those features from OBD. And the other one is, the most important one, is the apps. Like your phone, you can use navigation like Google Maps or Waze, or even you can go, let's say, to YouTube and watch your favorite movie or favorite clip.
As a decent person, not a bad guy, a good friend.
For the video, it's full screen. That's YouTube. That's why it's not a full screen from YouTube. Basically, that's all about it. We are working on the other Mercedes line to test them, make sure everything is functioning in Canada and US, and also they would work in Europe as well. We offer the full warranty, full installation support from here, and if you're really interested to buy these units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.